look in your mirrors because the distance will be halved. So for whatever reason, if you think the distance is going to be halved because there's a car approaching you, look in your mirrors. Just see what's going on and see how much like distance you've got.
It's any time I change anything, really.
Yes. Yeah. Let's go a little bit quicker and then make the adjustment when you need to. Don't keep the low speed as you're going along the road for any reason other than reducing your speed for the cars.
Yeah.
I want you now to find a safe place to pull up on my side, on the left hand side of the road.
Yeah.
Anywhere before that skip, just for a few seconds.
We're alright in front of the drive, yeah?
It's fine, yeah, it's fine. We're only here for a few seconds.
Alright, jump the front
Okay.
windows in.
Yeah, can you park the car first? Feedback is fine, no problem at all. The only reason I pulled you in was there was a vehicle behind you for a fair bit of time.
Yeah.
So he's been behind us for a good 3-4 miles. And he's headed in the same direction as us. And it was just reasonable because we're a learner car, it's reasonable for us to move out of the way, let him carry on.
Let him go.
Yeah. So you know, if you're towing a caravan, or if you're towing, let's say, something, let's say, some rubbish or whatever,
Yeah.
consciously be aware that you're going slower than everyone else.
Yeah.
Sometimes pull in, let the vehicles go, then carry on. Especially if you're a new driver on the road and you're getting bullied. If you get, you might get bullied. It's quite natural that you're going slow because you don't know the area. Pull up, let the vehicle go, move off. Then when you feel unsafe, or you feel like there's a vehicle behind you getting close to you, pull up on the left again, let the car go, pull out again.
Yeah.
So you're not under any sort of duress, you're not under any pressure, you're not getting tailgated, and you're going home in your own time. It means when you first drive on your own, give yourself an hour extra with every 45-minute journey. Just give yourself a bit more time.
Yeah.
Yep. Move off when you're ready and make your way home from here.